Hello beginners, welcome to Basic Edits, Mographs and VFX channel. Here you will learn everything from basics to advanced motion graphics, VFX and 3D. In this tutorial you will learn how to make simple edits in After Effects. Let's suppose this is your video on a timeline. If you want to delete all of this part of a timeline from this playhead, hold Alt, press square bracket in. This will delete all portion of the timeline from your this playhead. Now come back, and if you want to delete this forward portion of a timeline from your display head, hold Alt and press square bracket close, and this will delete all forward portion of a timeline. If you want to delete any middle portion of a timeline, then adjust your playhead, make a split Ctrl Shift D. Again adjust your playhead, make a split Ctrl Shift D. Now highlight a part of a timeline that you want to delete. Press delete from your keyboard and you can see the gap appears. An easy way to remove this gap is that select any part of a timeline, hold Shift from your keyboard and drag it towards the part of a timeline, and you can see it creates a magnetic glitch impact. And when this magnetic glitch impact appears, it means your timeline adjusted properly. If you have multiple splits here like, and you want to delete random part of a timeline, now hold Ctrl key and select by using left key on a mouse and press delete. You can see again gap appears. Now hold Shift, select clips and drag it back. It will again create a magnetic clinch. Now select upper one and drag it back towards your previous part of a timeline, and again it will create magnetic clinch. It means all of these timelines are now adjusted properly. Now come back. If you want to zoom in a timeline, then you don't need to go on this handle which is a zoom into frame level. Only press equal to key from your keyboard and this will zoom into your timeline, and press minus key, it will zoom out to your timeline. And if you have multiple clips on your timeline, I have two clips here, and you want this clip above this clip, then there are two ways. First, select a clip and by holding left key on a mouse, drag it to the above. And the second way is that if your cursor is here, then select a clip, hold Ctrl and press square bracket out to move the clip up, and if you want to drag it down, then hold Ctrl and press square bracket in. This will drag the clip to below. This is the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.